I did,
Mm-hmm.
like for example, sale for it.
Yeah, what is that, for example?
Hmm?
What is that you're saying?
What?
You're talking.
Oh yeah, he was asking me for a program that I coded and how I created the JCL for it.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, and since I haven't been able to do your labs, I couldn't even just say that.
Also, he showed a program and asked you to explain that, or what?
No, no, he asked me about a program that I created and how I created the JCL for that COBOL program.
No. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. What is your query?
That's hard, right? Like if it was you, it was easy probably, but
Yeah. Actually, if you practice, you could have. You can, face
I could have answered that, right?
easily.
Yeah. So, oh, yeah. So I have a question with this requirement. So you were saying that I have an input data set, right? Like this,
Okay. Yes.
right?
Yes.
So if I go to my input,
Mm-hmm.
what is that called? In file. KSDS in file. So when I put X's on at the end of this, it makes them a number.
I'll. I told you this, but you forgot it. You do one thing. Go to command prompt. Press home button. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Type num space off.
Oh,
Okay. Now
and
you
then put
go to.
X's on it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why is it doing that if you don't do num off?
And actually, I'll tell you what. You go. Yeah. You finish that.
Oh, and oh yeah, wasn't there a way to replace things like a dash dash, right? Something like that.
For what?
Like if instead of me typing those X's, I can replace them.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a way to do that?
Mm-hmm. You should be to
And
change all the
you
time.
said that that locate it's like this, right? That locate and then
Label. Yeah.
F F dot L.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Where you have typed dot L, you should type dot A. Say, for example, for easy understanding, A. Okay, anything.
Mm-hmm.
L space K. No, no, L. It is L, not F. Mm-hmm.
Oh, dot K.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
No, dot K. L space dot K.
oh, okay. I always forget that. Because when I start working, it could be a really big program, right?
Yes.
And oh, okay, you were saying something?
Mm-hmm. No, you were about to ask something, right?
Oh yeah, wasn't there a way to replace? Wasn't there a replace command like certain lines you and then you want to split the screen and then wasn't there something like that?
No, no, it's a change all, right? Change all command.
Oh, okay. I thought there was a replace and then where you can split the if you want to compress like the top and the bottom and just remove the middle just for editing, not deleting. There's a way to do that, right?
No, I don't know. Maybe some emulator.
Oh, I don't remember. Okay, I have another question for you. In this hands-on, this is the input. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
So the input file should only have 5 rows, right?
It can be any number of rows.
What?
It can be any number of rows.
Oh, I thought it should look like this. Input data set.
It can be any number of rows of your choice. I'm interested.
Yeah, but you want the output. But the output should be like this, right? It goes from A1111 up to A1131.
Yes.
So I was confused. And then you said I need to have a sysin. The program has to read the PS file as input and load all the records in the input file into the KSDS. So that's a separate the sysin to the input file?
Yeah.
So from these 5 rows, I can create this many rows as output.
No. See, what I meant to say is, I want you to first load the KSDS from a PS file. Then, few records I want you to update, few records insert, and few records delete.
Wait, the first thing you said is load what? Oh, load the input file, because this is not a KSDS file, right? It's just called KSDS.
No,
This is a
PS
PDS, a PS file.
Yes.
Load all the records in this PS file into a KSDS file. So these 5 records will go to the KSDS file?
It has more than that. It will start from A1111.
Oh, okay. So it should look like this, right?
Yes.
And everything is accessed?
Like this. I have all the records from A111 till whatever is the last record.
And everything is accessed?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So I need to change this to that, right?
Yes.
With access?
Yes.
Okay. And then what would and then I have a sysin, you said?
Yes.
Why is the JCL like
Come down.
like this?
Come down. Next page.
Go down.
Oh, maybe I didn't put that screenshot. I will update this document. Come down.
What screenshot?
Okay. Show me the write-up. What you need to do. I have written some points, right? Maybe in first or second page. Wait. Oh, this is very simple. See, you load the KSDS and pass few IDs from sysin and make sure they are present in that file. If not present, it should say not found. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Let me see your program.
But so I need to change the JCL that you have, right? That you said use it like this.
Yes.
Because this doesn't have a sysin.
Only thing is the sysin needs to be added. I intentionally didn't put that screenshot so that you will have to understand that you need to.
So it's like this, right? And then I put the A 111 like that, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay. And then XXXX for the
Yes.
terminator.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And let me see your program as well. Okay. See, in case of no. Okay, you gave the name as ESDS, but that is not ESDS which I want you to load from. Load from
Oh, what is
sequential file.
what?
I don't want you to code from
Go to the
ESDS file. Load from ESDS file. Here you have written select ESDS file, right?
yeah,
No, I want
yeah.
that to be plain PS file, not even ESDS.
So I say PS file, right?
Yeah, it's more logical. Though whatever you written is not illegal at syntax perspective, it is correct.
What is
This
that?
is this is what I actually want. So from the syntax perspective, even if you write ESDS file, that is okay. But actually, it should be a PS file from where I want you to load. And actually, if you realize organization is sequential, access mode is sequential, is uh,
Default, right?
default. So you need not write. Yeah, maybe see for PS files, uh, file status is not that important. So I never write file status when I'm working with
Okay.
PS file. You can remove them actually.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes, and keep a period after the select statement. That's it.
I'm sorry.
Correct.
Okay.
See, actually, label records are standard is default. You can remove them. Like label records standard. Yeah, and record contains 50 characters. Also, actually, you should not have a period at this point after FTKSDS file. You can remove
Well,
that line.
oh,
Yes, and record contains 50 characters can be removed. That line. Yes. Okay. It is better if you put a hyphen between KSDS and rec. It's more readable actually. Yes, it makes more readers. Yes. No, not for file. I don't want for file. No. Yeah, PSREC. PSREC is yeah hyphen. Yeah, it looks more. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Stato. F8. Very good. Okay. You want okay.
so I don't need the status input, right?
Yeah, but yeah, you can remove. Yes. Correct.
So there will never be a read error when you code COBOL.
There would never be a.
There would never be a status error for a read.
Yeah, it will be. But since my file has got records, I don't want to use it. But it is good if you want
Ah,
to
okay.
code file status, you can code for all the files which you are processing. That's a good practice. But usually for PS files, we don't care because we know that.
That way it's like a standard for me, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because
Uh,
see, you have to understand one thing, Brian. See, when you
oh,
run
I
a
have
vSAM
two S
program,
rec.
see why we for
Uh-huh.
vSAM files we are coding file status is what you need to understand. See, in case of vSAM file, uh, suppose you are doing some processing to vSAM file, maybe you're writing or something, okay?
Uh-huh.
And if write fails, it will give some file status code, say 47 or 48. But maxis will be 0.
Uh-huh.
But the maxis for the run JCL will be 0. you might assume that everything went fine,
Mm-hmm.
right? It is misleading to
Yes.
go by only maxis. You
Yes.
need to evaluate the file status code at every point. Once you open, you check what is the file status, and when you read, you check what is the file status in case of vsam. But in case of ps file, if
Mm-hmm.
any such file status error comes, the job will fail with user event. Okay,
Oh.
so we are okay. But for vsam, it is our duty to check the vsam status code, sorry, file status code, and handle them within the program, exception
Mm-hmm.
handling,
Okay.
right? That's why it becomes more important in case of vsam file to code file
Mm-hmm.
status,
Okay.
right? Okay, f8.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, you can write one open input ps file. Go up. Oh, no, no, where you have open input ps file statement.
Yes.
Yes, up. Yes. uh, Keep moving right. Two more. One more. Remove. No, no, go left. One more left. Space bar. No, 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 no. Right. No, no, no. LE space bar. Space. And come to the next line. Go to the open statement.
Oh, take out open.
Yeah, two more space. Ah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, this is fine. See, even
Okay.
you can remove period after output KHDS file. It is not required. Open output KHDS file, right?
Oh yeah.
After that, you remove period.
Why
One up, one line up.
here?
Yes. Yeah, it's not required. But if you keep also, it is not harming you. It's not going to
Yeah,
harm you.
but I always want to put a period on each sentence
No need, because
just to
at
make
least
sure.
one blank, at least one blank will act as a delimiter, like period.
Uh,
Actually, you can write one space. Just give a space. You can write, say, move A to B.
move
Move some move statement. Move A to B. Yeah, you
like
can
that.
write like that also. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Remove that. Okay. Yeah, even close statement also. You can have one close verb and two file names. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. Yeah. Calm down. Mm. Mm. Okay. Um. Yeah. What is that para doing?
so I need to
110.
do, huh?
What is that para doing? Process input para 110 process input para. Can you?
Oh yeah, this is where I'm gonna do my evaluation. I need to do an accept here, right?
Uh,
Actually, I need to do a perform until. Oh yeah, I need. Yeah, I'm gonna accept here. I have to do the accept
no, no,
for
no,
my sysin.
no, no, no. See,
Oh no.
I'll tell you what. You
Oh
can
no, I have to write it first and then accept, right?
no, no. Why to accept? To accept will
I
come
have to
later.
finish.
Accept will be later. First thing is.
Oh yeah. I need to write everything out first and then accept, right?
Yes, that should be separate para.
Yeah.
So
here I will just say
you can say move PSREC to
right.
KSDSREC, right KSDSREC, not a 10.
That's right. Yeah.
You come, yeah. Go forward. I'll tell you how to. No. Keep it. Don't comment.
Okay.
Yes. Go right. No. Same line. Same line. Don't go there. Go up.
Here.
Yes. No. The next line. Yeah. Come right. Right arrow. Come to the right. Yeah. Come right. Keep moving. Remove that perform 100 para, that is not required. Yeah. That statement you can remove. Now on this line, insert one line. Okay. Move PSREC to KSDSREC. KSDSREC.
Oh, I moved the PS file record into WSREC. So it should be in WSSEC right now.
Yeah, actually that into is not required for our scenario. You can just remove that into also.
Okay. And the record is, I think, PSREC.
Even no. It should be file. Read file, not record.
Oh, PS
Read
file.
File, write record. Come down. PSREC to KSDSREC. Okay. Enter.
Was it like that?
Oh no. Don't stay there. Don't go up.
KSDSREC.
Yes. From there. Okay. Insert one line there.
Yeah.
Write KSDS file.
Oh, like this one, right?
Write KSDSREC.
Like this one?
Yeah. You can move right.
Should I move these lines up?
Mm-hmm.
What?
You write that statement there after move.
Delete the.
No. We'll do that later. You come back. Yes. Go there. No. We'll take
Here?
it later. Don't worry about this now. Go up.
Okay.
Right. KSDSREC. Okay. No.
Oh, just right?
Leave it. That's it.
Okay.
You do F7 there. Okay. EOF is a 88 level variable. Perform file read until no. No. I'll show you what. You give me this. You do one thing. I'll take the control.
Okay.
One program I'll show you how to write. Later you can do yourself. Okay. What I do, you log off your ID.
What?
You log off your mainframe ID.
Oh. And Venkat?
Yeah.
When I start working and I have a question and I want to show my screen.
You can show. Wait. What I do, I will open it. You can definitely show me there.
No. When I start working, on my new job.
Mm-hmm.
If I need to show you my screen, what time are you available?
Mm-hmm. Even I don't know. At this point, I don't know. I don't have visibility.
Oh, we're looking at your screen.
What's your program name?
It's VSAM PGM1.
Okay.
Do a sort change. Okay.
See, fundamental mistake. You didn't start from column 8, or did you? Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
Oh yeah, I just copied this. How did you put the number?
No, actually, I want to remove these numbers.
Yeah, you can remove. You just say num std cub, right?
What do you want to code here?
Num std cob num. Yeah, num std cob, the first line on the right. Num std cob.
Mm-hmm.
No off. No off. Take off the off. Take the off out. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Oh, std cob maybe.
Mm-hmm. Anyway,
Why does it make those lines there?
Let me, I have to recollect. There is some option in your profile setting. I give some time. That's okay. For now, we'll just do this. Don't spend time in doing research on that.
Because if it's a very big program, it's a problem, right? Yeah, it's still there.
Okay, see, your profile setup is like that. Anyway, it doesn't harm us. Let us move to programming. These things will not be a problem. Fine. This is what we want.
Mm.
We have many of the profile settings turned on, so I had to make them off. I don't know, sometimes I have some magic stick in my hand. You know,
What?
sometimes I have some magic stick in my hand. Even sometimes I do some tricks and it will work. Sometimes students get an error and I just go and submit their job, it would run fine.
Yeah,
I'm a magician actually. See, what I want you to do is
I got your DB2.
okay. Okay, this is what you want to do now. Okay. I don't want counter. Let's make it simple actually.
Okay.
So what is your end of file? You're using 88 also?
Yes. Yeah, I have to change that. It's ESDS EOF. I have to change.
See, for now,
We have to make it PS, right? Okay.
yeah, even then, this is enough. Okay.
Until EOF is like a value, right? Is equal to yes.
Right.
Yes. And then I can watch this video, and then I can do my labs.
Yes, yes.
Or yeah, it won't be available the video, so I can look at the code.
I like this. See, this is all your own style. That's all. There is no hard and fast rule.
Oh yeah, I have a question with you. Sometimes how many zeros with the line numbers? I sometimes start with 10,000, so because sometimes I run out of this paragraph name numbers.
No, it doesn't matter.
What do you do if it's a really big program? Sometimes I run out. Like if I do 100 or 1,000, I'm gonna run, because the next one would be 1,100, and then the next one would be 1,110,
Yeah,
and then it would be 1,111.
yeah, you can give any number.
What?
You can give any number.
Yeah, but sometimes I run out. When you get to 1,111, there's no more left.
See, you can write 101 para, 101 perform para.
Oh, because I remember when I was writing it, I was running out, so I had to do 1,000 dash A dash B like that. And when it becomes a really big program, I'm running out of those numbers.
That's okay. No, you can manage that numbers. Para, you come here and say see, I would prefer to give a name like para. It's more readable. And come here. Say Okay.
Oh, you don't have to put in quotes. Oh yeah, I can change it.
Which one? Where?
Oh, the 100. I can change it. It's character, right? On the top. Oh.
Actually, okay. You understood this?
Yes. Yes.
Um, so here what we do, do you have that file created by the way?
What?
KSDS file?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Oh no, the PS file only.
Oh, okay.
But this should create that, right?
You have to
Oh
create what?
yeah. No, I didn't create it, but I need to create it with the ID camps, right?
Yes.
Oh no, we can't. Or create an empty KSDS.
What we'll do, we'll create it, load some, write a record and delete it.
Uh, uh, Venkat,
Yeah.
when you do the evaluate,
Mm-hmm.
if it's a character, you don't need to put a code.
What is alphanumeric, right?
Yes.
Mhm. With alphanumeric, even this will work as long as it is number.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, you have any JSL for KSDS? Create KSDS.
Yes, I have it. I have it.
Okay.
Uh, oh, to create. Okay.
Define cluster. You have any define cluster this one?
Not yet. That what is that LDKDS?
No, I think that is repro. might have one. If not,
Are we losing everything that we do here when we lose the ID?
what is that?
Are we losing everything that we worked on?
Yeah.
We're gonna lose everything, right? That we worked on.
You're saying we lose? No.
Everything that we worked on here is gonna go away, right?
When it no, it will be there. Only thing is we need to reactivate the ID. They will not be removed.
But we probably need to download them before we,
No, but they
just
will
in
not
case,
delete.
right?
No, they will not delete. That I know. But you can download anytime if you want to store them and revise them.
Is there an easy way to download everything from a live?
Into Windows now.
This is one at a time, right? And why are we putting data into that?
Okay, see, you need to understand one concept. When you create a data set in KHDS data set, there is something called HURBA. I used RBA. Okay, that value will be 0. And when you put a record, it will increment the value RBA. See, if the record length is 50, the RBA of the first record is 0 and highest RBA is 49. I used RBA. So when you delete that record, the RBA doesn't get reset to 0, HURBA value. And when you open in
Why
IO
is
mode,
that?
the HURBA should be greater than 0. And when you open in output mode, the HURBA value should be less than 0. It should be 0. See, now if I open and delete again,
Can you see the HURBA?
no. Now even if I delete, the HURBA is non-zero.
I mean, what are these key RBA record numbers there on the bottom?
Okay, I'll tell you once. I'll show you once I load a record. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have compile JCL, right?
Yes.
This one?
Oh no, vSAM.
vSAM PSG one,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes. Oh, Can you explain this JCL to me?
Okay, see, we are executing a proc here. This is proc, this is not a program. Okay, it is like, okay, and this proc is
Yes.
present in system library actually. One of the system libraries, maybe.
So it's not called like that the way it is.
Maybe this one.
It doesn't tell you where it is.
Yeah, it is in this proclip. It will take from the system proclip.
Ah.
Here you have the compiler program, IGYCRCTL. Okay.
Mhm.
Now it is compiled. You can run it.
Oh yeah, I have a question with you on this.
Okay.
Oh, so what you did not do MOD?
And not necessarily always.
So with old, I thought old is just for read only. So you can also write with the old.
All should be used for write, not for read. Okay.
Oh, old is only for write.
Better for write. You can read, but you will block everyone. Only you will be reading, and we won't want that. When you're writing, only you should write. No other user should write. Should be able to write.
So old is like that.
Yes. It older mod
And
has
what's
wait older mod has exclusive control on the dataset.
say that again?
Older mod will have exclusive control on the dataset. It means no other user can access it.
Yeah. So why did you use old instead of mod?
Because I am writing and I don't want any other user to open or touch my dataset when I'm writing.
So mod will
Mod
not
also.
let you
Mod
do
also
that.
same property. But only thing is it is used when you want to append records and in that cases mod is preferred.
Now, when you're out writing to this KSDS file, you no longer need to put the attributes.
No. See here it doesn't matter. You can make it mod also. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
let's see what is
Oh,
socket.
why did it fail?
Share means I'm reading.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is loaded. See, fine,
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Yes.
So I think you spend some more time on practicing this, Brian. Tomorrow we can start
But
DB2.
I still need to change this, right? Because on your specs you have a different letters, not just X.
No, no. This
Oh,
is the program I want you to write.
oh, I thought your output had U U U U X X X and
No,
then.
no. Actually, I might have copied the file when I have when I have executed the second hands-on. But this is what I want for this hands-on.
Oh, okay.
See, RBA 150
Mm-hmm.
will take you to the fourth record. 1 second, Brian. I'll be back. 1 second. Okay, Brian. You understood the logic, right? What I want to say.
Yes.
So you should be able to code
What did you do with
develop.
this one?
Sorry.
What was that 150 you were showing on the RBA?
Oh, okay, okay. See, RBA is record length is 50. So
Oh, 150 would be the third record?
yes, first record is 0. Second record 50.
So second record is not 51?
No, no.
Because
Because
50 is still included in the first record, right?
yeah, it starts with 0, not 1.
Oh, okay. So 0 to 49.
Yes. Now highest used
Okay.
RBA is 150 till 199. So
500?
199 will be your highest RBA. And if you
I thought it would be, wouldn't it be 500?
sorry,
It's not 500? Oh, okay. Just for the fourth record, right?
yes, right.
Yeah.
So you can populate KSD file.
So what about the record number and the formatted key and the key? What are those 1, 2, 3, 4? And the
Oh, where this one?
no, go out. Go out.
Okay, see,
The previous screen.
I know what you're asking.
Ah,
This one?
no, previous screen.
Oh, previous screen.
Yes.
Where is that?
No. Before you go in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, on the bottom there. What are those options like key, RBA, record number, formatted key?
Oh, okay. It is like how you want to open the file. Uh, See, if you use any copybook template, you can give the template here and open it with that. Since we do not have, we don't give.
What is that?
If you have any copybook for this file, you can mention here.
Uh-huh.
If you do not have, you can leave it blank. Here
Uh,
also, since I do not have any copybook, I will say none. See, because
uh,
this is file manager. See, these are all tools. This is not any COBOL.
oh,
So you should
okay. But what is this key RBA? The one on the right, start position. What is that? Start position type?
yes. How do
Uh,
you want to browse the records based on the key or RBA
uh,
starting position?
so if it's KSDS, you say key?
Key, yeah. Even if you don't specify anything, it will take it as key. So don't not need to specify anything there. Only thing you
Uh,
just type
what
in.
if it's KSDS and you put the RBA?
Still, you can mention the RBA. It will not harm you.
Uh,
But if it is ESDS, RBA has more relevance.
oh, Venkat,
See,
can I just quickly show you the other program I was trying to finish that I couldn't finish?
like that. Okay, where is it?
Uh, can you go to my programs, the source slide? It's not VSAM. If you do sort change, oh, COBOL H1, I think. If can you do sort change?
Maybe this one. This one.
Yeah, I think it's this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Did I'm
No, 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 no.
there's a lot of formatting I'm trying to do because there's a lot of edits.
No, no, no. I
Now,
don't. I don't ask. I don't want this kind of formatting. I want more logic actually. No, this. How are you? How are you typing?
you just need a display, right?
How you are? How are you reading? No, no, no. No, 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 no. This is not what I want. No,
Oh, okay.
you will not get my output like this. See,
Uh,
I'll tell you something. Actually, this is very tricky. I designed this hands-on during a lunch break actually in my class, and
uh,
and I coded this program during that lunch break and gave it to students because then it should be more logical. See, if you send like this, okay, after first name, once it takes, there may be chance that it is first name or gender, right? It can be
mhm.
first name or gender also. So you find out if WSF name 2:4 equal to spaces and right?
Okay. Yes. Plus you have to save it, right?
Yes.
You have to have a save, and then you have to do a search all for each
No.
one to see if it exists or not, right?
Okay. And
Okay.
if WSF name right, like that. And accept last name, same thing.
And you said that to move to the next line, you have the accept means it's moving to the next line, right? You said.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Fine. Like this.
Yes.
You keep on building the logic. This is how I want you to do. So it's not that simple. I'm
Okay.
just giving you the hint, clue how to do the programming. Okay. It's rather a
Okay.
very tricky program. So it's not straightforward like that. So this is
Hmm.
not given. This way you will never get whatever I wanted.
Okay.
See, all my hands-on, there are only my own hands-on actually.
Hmm.
I developed so that there are some students who are doing better. Then I wanted to give some challenge to them. I designed all this hands-on.
Hmm.
No, no problem, no matter. No, you keep trying the writing the KHDS program and also my COBOL hands-on. Fine.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. And do you know SQL by the way?
Yes.
Okay. So I need not spend much time in teaching SQL. I will start DB2 programming tomorrow. How to write SQL in
Okay.
program.
Yes. But if you can do some basics too, that would be good.
I'll explain you the syntax. You do it. I'll show one program. You do it.
Okay. Okay.
I want you to code
Yes.
actually. I don't want to give the code. Like what you
Hmm.
have done now, you do some coding, practice coding,
Hmm.
rather than me
Yes.
giving the code directly. Then you feel like you can do, but
Hmm.
you cannot do when to start on your own. Fine.
Yes.
You want me to delete that member?
Hmm. Well,
You
which
want me
one?
to copy that member to my library? This one.
Which one?
Shall I move it to my library so that you will write again from fresh?
Okay.
See what I do? Let it be in my library. I can give you anytime you want.
What ID do you use?
I will use my ID.
Uh,
Right? Now you write the program on your own. Fine? And we'll meet tomorrow
hmm.
evening.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
Okay then. All
Yes.
the best. You try to practice and write your own. You can watch my video and write it.
And Venkat,
Yeah.
yeah, I might be open on Saturday now.
Yeah, that is good. We'll see. That then we'll have definitely one class on Saturday.
Uh-huh.
That's
Okay.
okay. Before Saturday, I would finish even DB2 also, and I want you to keep on practicing, and I'll show you how to code like today. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think first you practice more
Yeah.
batch programming like COBOL, VSAM, DB2, then kicks will be easy because a lot of concepts
Mm-hmm.
should be clear in COBOL programming before you go to kicks. So as much as you can code, that is better for you,
Mm-hmm.
right? Anyway, try to write this, and I'll see
Yes.
it tomorrow. Okay, fine, Brian. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.